Hey y'all, how you doing today? Danna here, and I am bringing you a retro recipe from Mimi. Y'all remember Mimi? I'm gonna put the link to Mimi's recipes. I was lucky enough to meet her and get her cookbook, and when I was looking through her cookbook, it just reminded me so much of when I would go eat Sunday dinner at my grandmother's table. And you know, I don't know if you know this or not, but Southern cooks like my grandma and like Mimi, they have all these little tricks to stretch a meal. And one of them is what I'm gonna make today, and it is called pear salad. Have y'all ever had pear salad before? Do you know what it is? Well, Southern ladies have been putting this on the table for a long time if you need to stretch a meal or if you just want something light to go along with something that you're cooking. It's a very straightforward recipe, and I'm gonna tell you how to do it now. You just get you some pears, and then you pull them out of the liquid and you place them on your egg plate, okay? Now, if I were feeding a big bunch of people, I would have this every bit of this full, but it's just me and David, so we're gonna be eating pears for a week. But anyway, you place them on here and it looks really pretty. And then you're gonna need two other things. You're gonna need some cheddar cheese sprinkles or grated, and you're also gonna need some mayonnaise, and that's it. And if you want to doll it up and put some cherries or something on top, you can. But you take a little bit of the mayonnaise and you put it right in the center. Now, y'all, anytime we have church get-togethers or big family meals, there's going to be a Southern lady who's going to bring this. And y'all, it is refreshing. I know you're thinking mayonnaise and pears, but I'm going to tell y'all it's good. Don't knock it. Don't knock it. It's good. But anyway, I'm gonna get this on here, and you can do as much or as little mayonnaise as you like. And what kind of mayonnaise do you use? Okay, I'm gonna see what mayonnaise y'all like. And I like every mayonnaise, but anyway. Okay, the next thing you do is just get your cheese and sprinkle some on top, okay? Just like that. You've got cheese, you've got fruit, you've got the mayo, and it's cute. And I got small pears today, but I have been at family get-togethers where they would have those really large ones. But anyway, I want to show y'all how cute these are. This is pear salad. What do y'all think about it? Look at that beautiful pear salad. And this is so easy, y'all. Did you see how long that took me? Mimi has got some good ideas. Y'all go check her out. And also, I have a lot of family recipes and ideas in my family cookbook as well. Happiness is Homemade, y'all. You can get it on Amazon in ebook or print book. It'll come right to your house. The ebook will come right to your device. But anyway, I just love talking with Mimi, and we just laughed and talked. And anyway, this is what pear salad looks like. Y'all, this goes good with any kind of meat. That mayonnaise in there makes it so creamy. This is really good. I know, pear salad. So fast, so delicious. And you know what? When I was at that influencer summit this weekend, we talked about pear salad quite a lot. So here's some pear salad, ladies and gentlemen. That's good. All right, y'all. I'm gonna tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. And y'all go make you some pear salad. Bring out that egg plate for something other than deviled eggs. There you go. Love and blessings to you. Bye-bye.